If you are planning a cataract surgery in 2026 and want to know about its cost, basically the cost of cataract surgery mainly depends on two things: which surgical technique is being used and which artificial lens is being implanted. Nowadays, cataract surgery is performed as a safe, painless and fast recovery process. At Imantra, all cataract surgery techniques are available, including phaco, MICS and robotic cataract procedures. Phacoemulsification or phaco surgery is the most commonly used technique today. In this, a small incision of around 3.2 mm is made. Its advanced version is MICS or micro incision cataract surgery. In this technique, the incision is even smaller, only 1.8 to 2 mm, which is almost the size of a pen tip. Due to the small incision, trauma to the eye is very minimal, healing is fast and the patient feels no discomfort. Talking about the latest and most advanced technology in 2026, it is robotic cataract surgery. Robotic cataract surgery, flex or femtosecond laser assisted cataract surgery, uses artificial intelligence to perform most steps of the surgery with the help of a robot. This surgery is completely bladeless. All steps like making cuts, opening the capsule or breaking the lens are done automatically by the laser. The chances of human error are eliminated. That's why it is also called the safest cataract surgery. The latest machine for robotic cataract surgery is Zimmer Femto Z8 Neo, which is US FDA approved. Imantra is the first hospital in North India to bring this technology. This surgery is especially recommended for those who want completely safety, fast recovery and the best vision clarity during the cataract surgery procedure. Next, let's talk about the artificial lenses used in cataract surgery. There are four main types of lens options in this surgery. Number 1 is monofocal, number 2 is multifocal, number 3 is EDOF and number 4 is toric. With a monofocal lens, distance vision is clear but glasses are required for near vision. The cost of monofocal lenses ranges from 10,000 to 40,000 depending on the lens quality. Multifocal and trifocal lenses significantly reduces dependency on the glasses. Their cost ranges from 35,000 to 90,000 per eye. These lenses are not suitable for everyone, especially patients with night driving needs or retinal issues. EDOF lenses provide clear distance and intermediate vision without any glares or halos. The cost of these lenses ranges from 40,000 to 1 lakh per eye depending on the brand. Toric lenses are recommended for the patients with astigmatism or cylindrical numbers. The cost of toric lenses ranges from 40,000 to 60,000 per eye. At Imantra, you can choose robotic surgery with any type of lenses. The robotic AI procedure greatly increases safety and quality of vision, while other hospitals charge an extra 50,000 for robotic technology. At Imantra Hospital, it starts from 25,000. So if you also want to get cataract surgery, call our helpline number now to book a free checkup or ask in the comments.